This is why you need to respect your cat, because they could be ninjas. Picture this. One moment, Mr. Whiskers is lounging like a fluffy loaf. Blink once, and he's perched on top of your fridge like a furry gargoyle. Coincidence? I think not. Cats have perfected the art of stealth. Those silent ninja-like paws, they're the ultimate sneak attack weapons. And those laser-focused eyes, they see everything. Ever noticed how they can squeeze through the tiniest gaps? Yeah, that's some next-level flexibility training right there, and let's not forget their epic parkour skills. Forget Spider-Man, meet your personal spider cat. So next time you catch your cat mid-leap from the bookshelf to the curtain rod, just remember, they're not just cute pets. They're secretly honing their ninja skills. Proof that cats are actually ninjas? Oh, absolutely. Don't say we didn't warn you. Stay sharp, cat lovers.